Welcome to my channel. So today we will be making crab cakes, and you will need back fin crab meat. And let's get started. So I'm going to use this bowl here, and you're going to dump your content inside of the bowl. And then I like to chop it up a bit because it's molded in the cup shape. So you want to chop it all up. To look like that. Yummy. And I like to use Hellmann's olive oil. Put some in there. I also like to put an egg inside of my crab cake mix. So we'll put egg as well, and also some mustard. Sauce, just a little bit. Just like they do at Capital Grille and Phillips, you know, the seafood restaurants, prime rib. But we gonna do it Keisha style. Alright, because today y'all is cooking with Keisha. Alright. So I love the shape of this and how that turned out. Depending on how many you want will depend on the size of the crab cake you can make. It's your preference. This is pretty much a dinner for 3, so and you also have a preference to whether you want to broil it or whether you want to fry them. Today I think I'm going to fry them. Do it in a shape like that. There's nothing really to it. You just kind of pat it together. The purpose of the egg and the mayo was to kind of keep the mold, the crab cake formed. You probably already should have set your stove to about 350 so that your heat can warm up. I use this oil for my crab cakes. You can flip it.